Hey guys, so kimchi soup. What can I say about kimchi soup? Hearty, delicious, spicy, sour. You get all your taste buds like to react to this one soup. Oh, just so tasty and so good. Usually I get kimchi soup at the restaurant, and then one day I just sat there and I looked at my bowl and I was like, why am I paying, $8 for a little bowl when I know I can make this at home and probably yummier too? So that's how I started making kimchi soup. I make it all the time. So I do make kimchi too, which I will make a video on another time. But when I make a whole batch of kimchi, I have jars and jars of kimchi, so why not make kimchi soup? Honestly, I eat kimchi with everything, and kimchi is a probiotic and it's good for you, good for your gut health. I love making soups because it fills you up and it tricks your brain to think that, hey, I'm full, all I need is a bowl of soup, I'm good. Disclaimer, I am not Korean, I am Chinese and Vietnamese, so this is my take, my version of making kimchi soup, and it is so simple and so easy and so tasty. I will go through the ingredients really quick here, but I will also have a screenshot after. Here is sole filet. You can use any protein you want. Usually I do chicken breast. You can use ground turkey, ground pork, depending. Pink salt, you can use regular salt, chili flakes, chili garlic sauce, chicken broth, the juice from the kimchi, tofu, zucchini, kimchi, and white onion. Ooh, hello. So you want to bring a pot of water to a boil, and then I'm going to add the sole fillets. These sole fillets are really thin, and you just want to cook the whole piece, and later on we can flake it once it's cooked. All I have to do is just look. Yes. Now this is when you want to start adding all your ingredients. So I'm going to do the onions first, just because it takes a little bit longer to cook than the rest. Zucchini. You can pretty much add whatever veggies you have on hand. Like I had zucchini left in my fridge, so I just wanted to use it up. It's basically like a vegetable kimchi soup. You can make it to your own liking. The tofu. I just chopped up my kimchi in little pieces because I like them to be bite-sized. All the juice. The juice is what flavors the soup. And I am going to add even more kimchi juice from my kimchi jar. It's really important to have the kimchi juice. We're gonna mix that all together. An optional is chicken broth. This is the no MSG one. You can do the chicken powder, like chicken bouillon powder. You can, just for extra flavor, you don't have to add. Just for extra flavor, I'm going to add a can of chicken broth. And you wanna let the soup come to a simmer. And I just tasted it and it needs a little bit more salt, so I'm gonna do another teaspoon. And I'm also going to add a little bit of fish sauce just to have that flavor. Just a little. I like it a little more spicier, so I'm going to add more chili garlic sauce. So there you have it. Easy and simple kimchi soup. Delicious. Taste test. Oh, so good. Let me get a kimchi. Oh, it's kind of spicy.